Hey everybody. So I wanted to take this opportunity to show you how to add fractions and mix numbers because I saw that some of you were having a difficult time doing that. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to add mixed numbers. So the question said, wait a minute, hold on, I need to be able to write. Let's try this. Pen. All right, it said 4 and 2/5, and it said minus 1 and 4/5. So when you look at this, you can't subtract 4 from 2 because 4 is bigger than 2. But what I need you to do is to think about what 4 and 2/5 really means. It means that we have 4 whole pieces. So if we had our fraction circles that we were doing, we would have 4 whole ones like this. And then we would have 2/5 of another one. So if the fraction piece was like this is a whole, we would only have 2/5 of it. So say something like this, because there's 5 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would only have 2 of them. We would only have like this one here and this one here. Do you want me to change a color? Let's see if I can change the color for that. Pen color. Let's go to blue. Okay. So I would only have 1 piece, 2 pieces. So that's what 4 and 2/5 looks like. Okay. And 1 and 4/5 looks like this. I have 1 whole one, and then I have 4/5 of another one. So here's my other one, and I need to split it into fifths. So I split it into fifths. And how many of those fifths do I need? Well, I need 4 of them because there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. And it's asking me, can I take away 4 and 2/5? Can I take away 1 and 4/5? Well, the 1 part is easy. Look, I can take that one and that one, right? That's the easy part. But this is 4/5. I'm trying to take it away from 2/5. I can't do that. But what I can do is take one of my other whole pieces and break it into fifths. Well, that wasn't very good, was it? Let me see if I can erase that. No, I probably can't, but all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now look, I have 5/5 here, and I have 2/5 here. So how many fifths do I really have? Because a whole is 5/5, and then I have 2 more fifths. So altogether, what do I have? I have 7/5. And can I take 4/5 from 7/5? Absolutely. If I take 4/5 from the 7/5, then how many fifths do I have left? I only have 3/5 left. And how many whole pieces did I have? Oh, wait, I already crossed off that one. So I have these 2 whole pieces. So I have 2 and 3/5. Now, that's what it looks like when you do it by a picture. So let me show you what it looks like if I just did it number-wise. I have 4 and 2/5, and I'm going to subtract from it 1 and 4/5. Well, I know that my denominator is going to stay the same. Nothing's happening with my denominator. It's going to stay a 5. Okay? But I don't have enough to subtract. I can't take 4 if I only have 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow from that whole number. If I'm borrowing 1, how many do I have left? I have 3 left. And how many fifths did I move over here? I moved a whole one. I moved a whole one. So 1 equals 5/5. So how many fifths did I move over? I moved over 5/5. I had 2/5, so 2/5 and 5/5. Now I have 7/5. 7 take away 4 is 3, and 3 take away 1 is 2. See how that worked? You want me to do one more? One more. Say I had 6 and 1/3. And I wanted to take away 2 and 2/3. Can I take away 2 if I only have 1? No, can't do it. Just can't do it. Okay? I know my denominator is going to stay the same. Nothing happens there. But I can't take 2 from 1. I can't do it. Can't do it. So I'm going to borrow from the 6. So the 6 is going to now become, because I only borrowed 1, so the 6 is going to become a 5. And this is 3/3, because I borrowed 1, right? 1 equals 3/3. So if I'm moving 3/3 over here, I'm moving it from here over here. I'm moving over 3/3. How many thirds do I have now? I have 3/3 and 1/3, so this must become 4/3. Now can I subtract? Yes. 4 take away 2 is 2. And 5 take away 2 is 3. Okay? All right, thank you all. I hope that this clears it up for you. If you have any other questions, just let me know.